Hello subscriber, today our topic on understanding the circuits. Understanding the circuit is a necessary part of for an electrician. There are many type of circuits in a use. Every type of a circuit has its own job. Do the choosing the right circuit for a job is essential to successful electrical installation. Are familiar within all of a major type of a circuit. If if you will be more found one of your finding or finish the reading this and the following circuit listen is one of encountered the most often. Keeping these circuits fresh in your mind can be prove help in the field. Means the circuit have a value about the device or what the device and what the keen voltage or what the device and the customer has been required about the circuit, which type of a circuit is needed. So we are discussing about the common circuits or general informative circuits about the electricity. So first we discuss the series circuit. A series circuit is a one where all devices on the circuit are connected one after another. Every device on this type of a circuit receives the same amount of a power. Street lights are often varied on a series circuit. Means in a series circuit the potential difference is a same. In a parallel circuit are sometimes called the multiple circuit or a shunt circuits. These circuits are similar to in a series circuit but not exactly the same. Parallel circuit are have all devices arranged with that is divided between them. Two parallel circuits and the series circuit differ series and the circuit maintenance constant power devices within a load. In a parallel circuit, the current running through the generator is varies within the load and generator EMF is maintained partially. Means in this circuit clearly explains the voltage will be same in each and every point. And here we also discuss about the parallel and the series circuit. Means it is a mixture or a group combination of a circuits. A parallel circuit is made up of a many minor circuit in a series which each other and with a several these series circuit then connected in a parallel fingers. Series and parallel circuit. A series parallel circuit consists of many minor circuits. Many minor circuits being are connected in a parallel and the server and parallel circuit minor circuits are connected to the in a series across the source of a EMF. You can't see the many of these circuits because they are rarely used. And fourth one, fifth one circuits is a divided circuit. A divided circuit is a more than the forms of a parallel circuit. When talking about the divided circuit, disconnected is a that divided circuit is an isolated group of a conductor in a parallel rather than a group of a large number of conductors in a parallel. Multiple circuits. Multiple circuits are used in the distribution of electricity energy for a lighting and the most other power work. However, when ST lights are being varied, they are varied within a series circuit. Feeder circuits. The feeder circuit consists of a set of conductors in a distributing system that extend from a original source of energy such as a service panel distributing center without having a circuit connected to being the source, and these circuits, a good example of a feeding circuit is a heavy cable that runs from a main panel board to the house or a sub panel in a garage. And other one type of a circuit is a sub-feeder circuit. Sub-feeder circuit are an extension for a feeder circuit. These circuits feed through the cut off a feeder and other sub-feeder. They do not have another circuit connected to the between two distributing centers. A main circuit. A main circuit is any circuit to which another energy consuming circuit are connected through the automatic cutoff and different point analog lanes, which are of a same size wires and the length, which have a cutoff in a series within its entire length energy using a device and then never connected directly to the main circuit. Cutoff and required between the main circuit and the devices that requires the electrical power. Sub-main circuit. A sub-main circuit is a subsidiary main that has been feeding through the cutout, and the main sum of the sub-main branches circuits or a service can be connected to the sub-main through the cutout wire used in the sub-main issue and auxiliary similar that has been a main or a sub-main which supplies the sub-main circuits. Tape circuit. The circuit are created when the single energy using device feeds from a circuit that is connected directly to the tape circuit within the interposition of cutouts. Means tape circuit is if we have operate one circuit and then will be operate an other circuit, means partially load has been divided. Thanks for watching my video.